One of the trades I'm starting to like for a swing trade is AAL, American Airlines. In fact, all the airlines look very attractive. Just quickly looking at this chart, guys, take a look at this, right? If we zoom out on this chart, we can see that we're now back to lows. But look at this. If I bring up a trend line, if I bring up this trend line here, and we stretch this right across these low pivots, what do we get? All right, let's zoom in and look at this, right? So this is awesome. These are what I live for, essentially, in terms of trend line analysis. We go back again. We're going back multiple years. Then you get to here, pivot point, here, pivot point, here, pivot point, and look at what we just hit. So is this a long-term investment? I'm not a believer in that. I find that if you're a long-term investor, you ride the Great Recession like you did in 08, 09, you lose 60%. The way it works is that the retail investor ends up getting scared out at the lows, then they miss a majority of the upside. So I'm much more of a swing trader. Gives me these opportunities. So again, do I think we're going to bounce a little bit on AAL, maybe LUV, maybe some of these other ones? Yeah, I do. It's just a technical level. It's very much a law of numbers. Doesn't mean it's always going to be right. Could I be wrong and go lower? Absolutely. But in general, we should get a technical bounce on AAL. If we go to LUV, take a look here, much the same. Big sell-off. Let me bring this up. Let me erase this and clear it out. So same thing. We've had a big sell-off from $40 down to about $28. It's already bouncing a little bit today. But look at the double bottom, right? Classic double bottom right down here. You should get some sort of retrace back on these over the next days or the week or two.